my YouTube channel. So if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Priya. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that whenever I'll upload a new video, you will get a notification. Today I am going to show you my Nykaa Pink Friday sale. It's very small but I believe it's quite interesting, so please watch till the end. So you guys can see I have received these two boxes from Nykaa और मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा excited हूँ देखने के लिए कि मुझे क्या क्या receive हुआ है in these two boxes. So आप देख सकते हैं मैंने अभी तक इसे unbox नहीं किया, मैं आपके सामने unbox करने जा रही हूँ इन दोनों boxes को. So be ready. First I am going to unbox this small one. I have already opened it with the help of scissor, and yes, let's guys see that product. So I have received two products in it. I don't know what's the second one. So first is Insight Compact. So it's Insight Mineralized Press Powder with 24 SPF, and I have bought this product on rupees 118 but the MRP is rupees 125. I have already used this product. You guys can see this product, it's quite impressive. I have already used it as I have said before. And the second product is Sugar Blush. This is Contour Day Mini Blush in shade 01 Peach Pink. I was very excited for this mini blush from Sugar. You guys can see how beautiful the shade is. Let me show you. This shade looks very beautiful, I must say. So the actual price or MRP of this product is rupees 349 but I have bought it on rupees 330, and this is the benefit of Pink Friday sale, of course. Now this is over guys, let's move forward to the big one. Let's check that. So I have this first packaging. This I believe consists one Garnier Micellar Water and two eyebrow pencils from Miss Claire. This is Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water of 125 ml and with the MRP 175, but I have bought this product on rupees 123 only, and it's very good. You guys can see the reviews on YouTube itself. And I have bought these two Miss Claire eyebrow pencils in shade dark brown and chocolate brown. Both is having the MRP 75 but I have bought this two in rupees 100, that means 50 each. So this is the next product I have bought from Kaya, and it's Pigmentation Reduction Complex. It was suggested by my dermat itself because I have pigmentation in my hands, and it was of rupees, I believe the MRP of this product is rupees 1200 but I have bought it on rupees 812 rupees, and it was a huge discount, I must say. So it was good to buy this. I am going to try this. Now guys, I am going to show you these two lipsticks. This one is from Miss Claire and this one is from Wet n Wild. The shade of Miss Claire lipstick is 37 and Wet n Wild lipstick shade is E970. Let me guys show you how beautiful the shade is. It's a bit rosy red, and Miss Claire lipstick shade is these two are in shade red. The MRP of Miss Claire lipstick is rupees 299 but I have bought this on rupees 240, and the MRP of Wet n Wild lipstick is rupees 295 and I have bought this lipstick on rupees 148. Now let's come to this product. This is my essential, I must say. This is Biotech Advanced Ayurveda Bio Papaya Face Scrub or Body Scrub, you can say. This is very good in texture. I love it. I have used it many more times but I have bought it again because I love using this product, and this product is of rupees 199 but I have got this product on rupees 180. This product is just amazing. I cannot stop using this. In terms of scrubbing, you will feel very good, I must say. I am recommending this product to you. Just tell me how you feel after using this product. Now I am opening the next packaging. So the next product I have bought is this Fit Me foundation from Maybelline New York in shade 115 Ivory, and I have bought this product on rupees 411, and the MRP on this product is rupees 549. I haven't used this product yet and I'm going to try this for the first time. So let's see, and I'll share the review as well. So next is this Maybelline New York Colossal Mascara, and I have bought this product on rupees 218, but the MRP is 399 as you guys can see here. So basically I have bought these two products from Maybelline, and I got one free lipstick after buying these two products from Maybelline. There was an offer, I don't know actually what the offer was, but yes, I'm going to show you that lipstick. So this is the lipstick guys which I have got after buying those two products. This is Color Sensational Creamy Matte Maybelline Lipstick in the shade 660 Touch of Spice. It is amazing, but it's not big, it's a mini lipstick. Now guys, I'm going to show you my last product from this haul video. This is Swiss Beauty Highlighting Primer for brightening skin, modifying pores, moisturizing and of course nourishing. So let me guys show you how the product is. Oh my god, packaging is very good. It is in pink tint N03 shade, not shade actually. Guys, I'm very excited to use this product. I must say it's looking very good, and it's of 30 ml. I have bought this product on rupees 200 something, but the MRP is 349. So guys, I am ending this Nykaa haul video here. Thank you so much for watching this whole video. If you liked it, do hit the like button, and yes, do comment down what do you want next in my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. My user ID is here, you can see. Keep supporting me. See you in my next video. Bye bye.